Today on the Roy Garage, we finish up our rear wire harness and install these new light fixtures. Let's get to it.
Let's get started.
Welcome back to the Roy Garage. Today we're installing these taillight assemblies, but first we got to finish up our rear wire harness by heat shrinking these joints and adding some conduit. Zero, 1, 2. Nice. It gets hot pretty quick. Does that look good? It does. We went with these heat shrink joints because we built this wire harness completely from scratch and we want to make sure that it lasts long. These heat shrink joints are going to help from moisture and corrosion. We got one end of our wire harness heat shrink
On to the other side.
Sweet. I think I got them all. Looks good. So now let's bust open this conduit here. This thing's going to start looking like a real wire harness pretty soon. Let's start up here where the wire harness gets plugged in. Alright, we got most of the conduit on here. Now we're going to throw this T on. It's just not the easiest thing to do in the world. Here, Jake, right? There you go. That's probably all the longer you want that. Yeah. Just add a couple zip ties here and there. Make her look clean. If you guys think this looks like a wire harness, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button for more content like this. Next step is getting this wire harness inside the El Camino with these lights coming out of the fixture holes and then getting these tail light assemblies installed. Let's get to it. See this, Jake? They look beautiful. You can't find this on the internet. That's why we had to make one. Let's get this put in. First things first, plug your harness in. I think this was the only year that they did this plug, so I could not find one anywhere. That's dirt, guys. I did my best to clean it out, but okay, get that plugged in. These are actually supposed to clip in here to hold the wire harness up. Nice. Clip into the bumper like right here. Let's get the other wires wired through the other hole. These wires go up above the frame. And I gotta unscrew these side lights, running lights, to get those put in. For all the future tools they get me. Kind of like that. Good enough for a farmer. Alright, one side done. Let's go to the other side. See that chrome right there, guys? It's coming off. You know why? Chrome don't get you home. Man, look at them shocks. You see them shocks, Jake? Them AC Delco air shocks in there. I want to watch that video. Links in the upper right corner. See that, guys? The wire comes up. Alright, you gotta get a good push. And if you push hard enough, then you can twist it. Here we go. Alright, there's that. Let's get those rear tail light assemblies over here. Tail light, blinkers, running lights, don't matter. Where's my screwdriver? This one on the right side is barely hanging on by a couple. There it went. There you go.
Thank goodness you had a nice access hole.
It's probably why it's there. Actually, I have these slits here you can kind of see in there. One done. Reverse light, we don't have any yet. Blinker. Running light. And extra running light. Just one. And go right in there. That's good. Got to connect the ground, and then we can test it. See how well it lights up, especially since it's dark out already. I'm pretty stoked. I don't know about you. I'm getting pretty excited. It's definitely very makeshift, guys, but it works. Alright, that's connected. Let's go over here. That's our fuel gauge. That's connected. That gets connected up there. Right up there. It's gonna stay in there after it. Oh wow. Alright, let's turn it on. See how it looks. Alright, Jake. Turn them on, baby. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that light on the side. Oh, there they go. Oh, yes. Left blinker. Right blinker. They both work, man. Oh, dude. Left blinker. Right blinker. Brakes are on. Dude. Bro. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on next week's episode of The Roy Garage. Boom. Oh, nothing. I'm doing nothing. Nothing, dude. I had something buried in my garage for the next week's episode of The Roy Garage.
Seriously?
Yeah. Yeah.
No way.